Hi, I'm Poppy and I am Timstar's junior scientist.
Hi, I've heard quantum mechanics being mentioned in a couple of science shows I've been to, but never really understood what it meant. And so when I found Stephen Gates' videos glowing drinks and quantum mechanics on his Gastronauts channel, I thought I would give it a go. For this experiment, you will need some tap water, salt water, tonic water, and an ultraviolet light/torch. The other thing we need is dark, so I'm going to have to film this with the lights off. Hope it works. At the moment, my glass beaker contains a little water. However, watch what happens when I slowly start to pour in the tonic water. The molecule structure of quinine, which gives the tonic water its flavour, is excited by the ultraviolet light, which is invisible to us. However, to do this, it releases energy as a photon of light that is in our visible spectrum, and that is the blue glow that you see. You can also stop the molecules from being excited. If you add some salt solution to the beaker, it prevents the electrons from being able to get excited and emitting a blue light. I still don't fully understand quantum mechanics, but thanks to this experiment, it's helped me understand it a bit more. If you enjoyed this video, remember you can always try it at home. Thanks for watching. Bye! Watch out for more of my videos on Timstar's Junior Scientist page. While you're there, why not take a look at the Timstar Knowledge Hub, where you can see experiments from Franz Scott, Stephen Gates.